Marami ang nagulat at nag-alala nang makita ang recent photo ng actress na si Andrea Del Rosario na may benda sa kanyang mata. Ibinahagi ng actress na kinailangan niyang sumailalim sa minor eye surgery matapos siyang magkaroon ng sty o kuliti na umano'y dulot ng kanyang improper na paggamit ng makeup at fake eyelashes. Sa kanyang post sa Facebook nitong isang araw, nag-share ang actress ng larawan ng kanyang sarili na may suot na eye patch matapos ang isinagawang operasyon. Clean your brushes and no to fake eyelashes for now, saad ni Andrea. Nauna nang ibinahagi ng dating miyembro ng Viva Hot Babe sa pamamagitan ng Facebook Live na dahil hindi pa rin nawawala ang kuliti sa kanyang mata, kinailangan na itong alisin sa pamamagitan ng clinical procedure. I've been using a lot of makeup and false lashes. I've been drinking a lot of antibiotics pero hindi pa rin siya kuliti humuhupa, so I need to have it surgically removed, lahad ni Andrea. Dagdag pa niya, I've been using a lot of makeup and false lashes. I've been drinking a lot of antibiotics pero ang kuliti hindi pa rin siya humuhupa, so I need to have it surgically removed. Pinaalalahanan naman ni Andrea ang kanyang mga followers na maging maingat sa paggamit ng kanilang makeup brushes at false eyelashes. Lesson of the day: do not use dirty brushes, and when you use your fake lashes, remove them at night. Don't sleep with them, which I did, sabi pa ng actress. Sa ngayon ay natanggal na ang benda sa mata ni Andrea at nasa maayos na siyang kalagayan, kaya walang dapat ipag-alala ang kanyang mga tagahanga.
Good morning, everybody. So today I'm on my way to a surgery. Yes, guys. Kulite surgery. Because I've been using a lot of makeup and false lashes. That's what happened. So I've been drinking a lot of antibiotics and medicine but hindi pa rin siya humuhupa, so I need to have it surgically removed today. So wish me good luck. That's why may nag-comment kasi, ma'am, is that kulite? Yes, it is. So anyhow, yes, hello everybody, good morning. I'm just saying good morning to everybody because I was having a hard time yesterday doing a video because of this. So lesson of the day: do not use dirty brushes, and when you use your fake lashes, remove it at night. Don't sleep with it, which I did do before. So let's do a shout out before I say goodbye. Shout out, ma'am, from Canada. Ano, Edison? Ang labo ng message mo, Edison. So, hello from Shalani. How are you? Good morning. Yeah. Idol, Ricardo Budoso. Okay, guys, I have to go because my mom just had a surgery. I'll be back. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. We'll see you in a while, okay? Bye.